Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. If you want to get the Goblin Boohoo emote in your Clash Royale and you're looking out how to do so, you may simply follow up the steps easily and you should be able to do it. Open up Clash Royale, and once you open up Clash Royale, you can log in into your account if you're not logged in. And from your main home screen of your Clash Royale, what you need to do is once it appears on your screen, you may just go over and look out for the shopping icon directly on your screen and tap on it. And once you go to the shop section, there you'll be finding different options. You need to scroll down to the section for Emote Market right there and just go over and click on it. So you can look out for the time and select it. It is a limited time, so you can go there directly. And once you find it there, you can directly look out for the emote that you're looking for and basically select it. And you need to pay a certain amount to go ahead and purchase it. So you need to go over and select it, your Goblin Boohoo emote, and just go over and add up a payment method. You can tap on one tap buy after you add up a payment method and confirm it up. And that should get you the Goblin Boohoo emote that you're looking for. You may follow the same process for other emotes as well. And once it is purchased, you can just go over and look out for the cart section. And within the cart section right there, your collection, you can scroll down and look out for the emote that you just recently purchased by directly going ahead and go to the emote collection section, and there you should be finding your emote that you just purchased. And that's it everybody. We hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe.